Do you want to attract more joy and happiness in your life? Do you wish to radiate positivity wherever you go? Let's delve into the importance of shifting our mindset and making intentional efforts to attract joy. We'll explore the next 5 ideas from a list of 25 discussed in an enlightening article. Get ready to dive into the secret of attracting more joy and happiness into your life. Say yes to interesting things more often. Embracing new opportunities and experiences can often be the catalyst for unexpected joy and happiness. It's about out of your comfort zone, trying something new, and opening yourself up to the possibility of enjoyment. So, time and interesting opportunity knocks, don't hesitate to say yes. Idea number 2. Embrace the power of refusal for unproductive endeavors. Time is our most treasured asset. Using it judiciously involves rejecting actions that sap vitality without contributing value. This paves the way for joy-filled experiences. Bear in mind, every no is a yes to something superior. Introducing the concept of a vision board. A vision board is a tangible representation of your desires. It's a collage of images and words that embody your ambitions and aspirations. Visualizing your joy brings it a step closer to reality. Your mind trusts in what it perceives. A vision board. Such a potent instrument to manifest your happiness. Idea number 4. Listen to guided meditation. Embracing the tranquility of your mind, guided meditation is a beacon of serenity. It navigates you towards inner peace, cultivating an environment for joy and happiness to flourish. By surrendering to this peaceful journey, you invite a wave of joyous energy into your life. Meditation is the journey to inner peace and joy. Idea number 5. Plan fun activities in advance. There's a certain thrill in anticipation, a joy that bubbles from knowing something exciting lies ahead. This is the power of planning fun activities. It's more than just having a good time. It's about creating a roadmap to joy. Planning fun is like creating happiness in advance. To recap our journey to attract more joy and happiness, we've explored 5 transformative ideas. Embrace the unexpected, say yes to interesting things, prioritize your time, say no to time wasters, visualize your joy through a vision board, find inner peace through guided meditation. Lastly, anticipate the joy of planned fun activities. Remember, your joy and happiness are in your hands. Start attracting them today.